products. Only 5? I've got 125. I can only use 5 products to create this look. So I've got a challenge for you all. Can you create a makeup look with only using 5 products? So let's be real. Most of us do not have the time or the energy to have 1,000 products and use them every single day on our face. But what if you could just use 5 products to create a great look where you can feel polished when you step out the door? Well, that's what I'm going to deliver for you today. Okay, so the first product that I'm going to start off with is our Makesense foundation in the color Ivory, because we gots to conceal. All right. Next, I'm going to use our Blushsense in the color Chocolate Cherry. This is actually one of my favorites. I put a little dab right here on my hand, and I take a nice fluffy brush, and I literally just swirl it around in that color. And then my hand looks crazy, but it's okay. I just go wash it off with soap and water immediately after I'm done doing this, because once it sets, it's not going anywhere. And then do big swirls on your cheeks. Add a little bit of color and life to the face. I'm alive. Just in a singy mood today. But seriously, now it looks like I'm alive. Okay, next I'm going to go in with our Translucid powder in the color Natural, and just tap it on my hand. Get that product down into those bristles. Okay, take your Chocolate Cherry again. And a little fluffy brush like this. And we're going to use this for eyeshadow. Put it right in the crease. Go back and forth. Okay, again with the Chocolate Cherry. And you're going to take a little angled brush like this and fill in the brows. So when you use this more concentrated, you can see that it blends out really well, or you can use it more of a precision, like darker color like this. And since these are buildable products, you can really get it to be much darker if you like. And yet, look, it blended out so well as a blush too. I'm just using that same smudger brush. Okay, mascara. Fifth and final product, our Opal gloss. Love this stuff. Basically makes everything look like a unicorn color. Oh my gosh. For real though? This is real life. Look at this color. You guys, how fun is that? Love it. Okay. My hair is still drying. But can we take a look at this? 5 products, you guys. This is perfect for those that are traveling. You don't want to have to pack your entire makeup bag. This would be a great like beach look where you want something just kind of light and airy, natural looking. I'm in love with this. And I hope you are too. So if you're interested in any of these products, please comment below. I'd love to help you out. Thank you so much for tuning in.